Well, actually, it's been starting pretty decent here lately. Oh yeah, it's getting cold here in Middle Tennessee. David right there up there at that Harley Davidson shop up there in south side there in Indianapolis done already sent me that hat. Man, it got down to freezing here a couple nights ago. But I've run this engine a couple times since I had that fiasco with that oil. I left that oiler on and seeped that oil off in the cylinder. So I've run it a few times since then. And we'll just go ahead and crank her up, you know. And I'll dust her off a little bit there. I got another oiler in there. I switched out the oiler that I left on. I think it had some seepage regardless. So I think, you know, I'm going to leave that sitting where it's at there from the last time I run it. And it's only opened about a quarter of a turn. So I am going to open that down to a half. And then in a little bit, I'm going to close that back up to that quarter. And that choker, well, see, it's open a little bit, so I'm just going to, you know, that was a good setting to run the engine at, and I should have left it, but I changed it. So it's closed now, so the battery box is off. So I'm gonna turn the engine a couple times. Okay, that's one. Okay, that's two. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open up that to no more than that right there. It's very little. So, you know, the engine's supposed to start next time. So I'm gonna put this on here, and the oiler's turned off and all, and I got it set for a light drip. I've done already greased it up and everything. So we'll start it up. Okay. I'm going to turn that battery box off. Give her another turn. Turn it back on. About time to light her up. See if you put your hand on the exhaust manifold, not warm.